Good morning, Bryce. I hope everyone had a great Halloween weekend. We are now well into November. Temperature is still quite cool. We have that jet stream dipping pretty far to the south this morning. That's allowing that cool Canadian air to get all the way down to the Gulf Coast. So it was a really chilly morning, especially between about 6 or 7. Temperatures dipped into the 30s, but now we are starting to see those temperatures gradually warm. Frost advisory still in effect from Bruce all the way to Clarksdale. Freeze warnings in effect for the northern half of the viewing area, and that's where the coolest temperatures were concentrated. And again, these will expire at 9 o'clock and should be allowed to expire now, to be honest with you, because everyone's above freezing at this point. Temperatures currently 45 here in Greenville, and as for Greenwood, 43. And actually earlier in the morning, it was 32 degrees in Greenwood. So again, definitely want those jackets this morning. A hot cup of coffee on your way out because it's still chilly, although we're in the 40s. In fact, Oxford and Tunica still in the 30s this morning, and this is actually the coldest air we've had since the middle of April. So April 15th, we were in the 30s, have not been in the 30s since then. That was 201 days ago, and now it's November 2nd. So again, it was a while, but it seems that fall and winter weather has finally found its way to the Delta after a long hiatus. But taking a look at your temperatures later on, we're gradually going to warm to near 60, so it's going to be a nice rebound. Remember, the sun goes down around 5 now, so that's when temperatures start to come down. And as we go into the overnight hours, we're going to have clear skies. That's going to allow for those temperatures to really cool overnight. Some of us will be waking up to some patchy frost as we go about our morning on Tuesday. So again, it is going to be cold again tomorrow morning, but it's going to rebound. We're going to start to see southerly winds return. That's going to bring those temperatures back up to near average. And by this weekend, we'll be approaching the upper 70s. And as we go into November 8th through the 12th, well, we're going to continue to see a warming trend. It looks like we have a pretty good shot of being above average in the temperature department as we head into November. Now, as for the tropics, still ongoing. Feels like it's been the longest season ever. Currently have Ada, which is in the Caribbean Sea, expected to make landfall somewhere into Central America as a Category 2 storm and then weaken over land. At this point, doesn't look like we're going to get into the Gulf of Mexico, but we still have 4 weeks left of hurricane season, so we're going to continue to monitor this closely. And then after November 30th, we're going to wrap it up, hopefully. So again, it's been very active, but fortunately for the next little bit, it looks like the Gulf will remain quiet. But man, it's been a record-breaking year. 11 U.S. landfalls, that's a record. 6 hurricane landfalls, 5 of those were in Louisiana. 3 hurricanes and 2 tropical storms. And we have 28 named storms. Ada made the 28th. Now 2020, the highest, most active hurricane season ever, which is just insane. But fortunately, it's going to remain quiet here in the Gulf and quiet here in the Delta. Highs of 59 today, plenty of sunshine, seasonably cool. Tonight, lows of 38, clear skies, patchy frost possible, especially in our northern zones. If you're north of Highway 82, I think that's probably going to be the coolest temperatures we have, back into the mid-30s. Some locations could get close to freezing again. And by tomorrow, highs of 68, plenty of that Delta sunshine, and that's really going to be the story of the rest of the week, Bryce. We're going to continue to see that sunny weather, very warm, and by Sunday, maybe a shower, but it looks like it's going to be pretty dry, at least for the next 7 days.